Hi friends, I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to use our 7-set extension. So we will start off by this 3-clip weft. First, we will comb it to remove any tangles. Before this, you also have to comb your own hair to get rid of any tangles. So what I have done so far is I have prepared my hair by straightening it so that it can easily merge into the 7 set. We will be placing it at the nape of our neck. So let me show you. You have to part a straight line and then clip all your hair. You have to use these clips and secure it. Drop up all your hair. So now separate a straight thin section above the previous weft. You have to leave at least 1.5 inch space between the two wefts, or it depends on the volume of your hair. If you have a heavy volume hair and you want to merge the set, you should leave at least 2 inches gap. But if you have a lesser volume in your hair, you can clip it at the 1.5 inch gap. So I have leave a 1.5 inch gap. I use this 4-clip weft next. You have to part it above your chins. And now brush the hair, open the clips. First you should find the center of your head and then attach these two middle clips. And now I will use this 3-clip piece above it. You can see completely merged from the back. Now we have to use our side pieces. Same, you have to first remove the tangles and then open the clips and part your hair. Do the parting from above your eyebrow here and attach the first clip, then the next clip. See, it has merged. Nice. I will repeat the same. I will first clip the I have attached in a slanting position. I have not done it straight. I have done it in a slanting position. I have used 5 pieces now. And you can check the volume. It has merged very nicely. Now what I will do, I will use these 2 small pieces. It has merged very beautifully. Now you can comb all of your hair including extensions. If you have weaker roots, you can hold the extensions and then comb. Now I have some flyaways because my hair are flowing in a different direction. So now what I will do, I will settle these flyaways with this straightener so that it can merge in my hair. It is also a good practice if you straighten your hair with the extensions in the last. Give a very nice merge. You can also use some argan oil. If you want to curl your hair, you can curl them, but I wanted a straight look today. If you want to do a side parting, you have to attach the side clip below the side parting. You can curl your extensions before using them, or you can also curl them on your head, but it is a bit tiring, so I will suggest you should curl them before wearing. I will be leaving my hair open today, but you can make the hairstyle in them, whichever you want. So bye for now, and we will meet in another video.